For a lot of people, including my clients, it can be very hard to find time to meditate or practice mindfulness. And whether it's school or work or parenting, there are very real sort of barriers to having time to meditate for an hour a day or something. One thing that I talk with clients about is to kind of reduce the pressure to do mindfulness or meditation perfectly. So you don't need to be meditating for an hour a day to get benefits from a mindfulness practice. So one idea to bring some mindfulness into your life, and if you have a busy life, is to find small moments where you can link something that you're doing, something that you do every day, with taking a breath. So let's say if you make coffee or tea in the morning, when you go to put the kettle on and you kind of push the button or put it on the stove, in that moment to take a full breath and a full inhale and exhale. And to notice if you're trying to do other things during those moments, if you're holding your phone or talking to your partner or your child or whatever, to really just take a moment to just focus on taking one breath and trying to do that each day. So really linking that moment to taking a breath. Other ideas would be when you open your computer or turn on your computer for work, when you turn off your computer, when you get in your car, when you turn off your car, when you turn on the heat or AC, anything that you find that it's a small thing that you're doing every day, and maybe there's a kind of a tactile part to it as well. Just taking a full breath in and out, and then seeing if you can continue that habit over multiple days and until it kind of becomes more regular. Again, no, don't try to put too much pressure on yourself to do it perfectly. It's okay if you miss a day or you forget, but just to, in those moments when you notice, oh, I'm putting the kettle on, I'm going to take a breath and let it out. So that's a small way to bring some more mindfulness and meditation into your day-to-day, and try it out, and I hope it's helpful. Thanks for joining me today. Take care.